What's new in CAMWorks 2018? General enhancements to CAMWorks 2018 include an all-new coordinate system tree node and user interface, including the ability to choose from the part or stock bounding box vertexes. An all-new part perimeter user interface has been added with new options to select a machining strategy and specify the final depth for machining. A new workflow has been provided to accelerate programming and improve the user experience. Over 1,000 new parameter preview images have been added throughout the user interface, making CAMWorks 2018 easier to use and more powerful than ever. An all-new toolpath simulation interface is included to avoid collisions, optimize programs, and reduce setup time. CAMWorks 2018 includes a new CAMWorks NC editor powered by CIMCO with all the right tools, including backplotting, to review and edit your G-code programs. For more information, go to www.camworks.com.